today, March 9, 2026, gas prices are rising. The Department of Energy, DOE, has announced a historic double-digit oil price hike for this week, effective Tuesday, March 10, 2026. This massive increase is triggered by severe supply disruption due to the intensifying conflict in the Middle East. Price increases. Energy Secretary Sharon Gavin described this as the highest jump in recent history, with total increases ranging from 17 pesos to 24 pesos per liter for the week. That's for today's news. Reporting, Linz Ivan Torres.